When opportunity knocks, we open the doors to a new vista. And when you grab that opportunity, we open your windows into the future.
Ladies and gentlemen, the door!
Located on a sprawling 6,000 square meters of land at the industrial hub Sonapat in Haryana, Navair is a name reckoned as a specialty door maker. A leading manufacturer of world-class passive fire protection range, we make products that ensure people's safety every day. Our industry-pioneering products include fire-rated and smoke-check doors, fire-retardant paints for wooden surfaces, intumescent paint for structural steel protection, and flame-proof canvas, among a host of super specialty products. We believe in sharing our expertise. This is why we provide our clients with customized solutions. At Navair, we provide complete drawing and entire hardware scheduling for every kind of structural openings in a building. In fact, we have a highly trained technical team solely responsible for the job. Ours is a journey that began in the pre-liberalization era of 1982, led by a visionary, Suraj Taneja. From its humble beginning, today the Navair Group is India's leading manufacturer of multi-specialty fireproof range with a multi-crore turnover. The blueprint to any door is the development drawing sheet that initiates the entire process. The size of the door is determined by a consistent paper size system. These drawings are made in latest 3D software, resulting in cutting-edge precision products. But before each element is etched out, every door goes through a process of punching and bending, all done automatically on state-of-the-art German CNC machines. To begin with, a galvanized steel as thick as 6 millimeters is put into the punching machine that precisely cuts its hinges, locks, and makes stability space for the handle. One just needs to feed in the appropriate program, and this 120-ton German machine punch with a point force of 16.5 tons to give you that perfect output. The sheet is then transferred to the bending machine. A latest machine like the True Bend bends the sheet precisely to the desired angle while keeping its quality intact as per the specifications. This press brake technology can bend a sheet as thick as 6 millimeters with accuracy and precision to its core. The shear machine cuts sheet bars and flat bars up to 10 millimeters, making high-quality parts for the doors. The next step to creating the superstructure is fabrication. Here, it's all about grinding, polishing, and welding to smoothen the surfaces on the doors. Using the latest spot welding technology by state-of-the-art Italian machines allows spotless finished products. An important process that makes these fire-resistant doors is the insertion of treated rock wool with Viper FRS 881LH in hollow spaces of the door shutters. The surface of the doors is treated with special machines to make the surface spotless and absolutely smooth, ready to go for their final process, painting. Strapped in the conveyor belt is the batch of 120 doors ready to be coated with red colors. The 300 meters conveyor belt can paint a whopping 80 doors in about an hour. Each door is loaded and the machine is programmed to color the door with either powder coating or liquid painting. As the door moves toward the spray section, an automatic powder jet ensures an even coating of powder on the entire surface. This ensures that every batch of doors is coated with desired colors without any spots or extra coat. It then moves into the oven that heats up to 200 degrees centigrade, allowing the coating to melt and form an inseparable layer on the surface. After all the grind, the door is now set to go places. Once it cools down to room temperature, these doors are then packed and loaded, ready to be transported to locations across India and abroad. Navair's second plant at IMT Manesar specializes in wooden and paintwork. Our skilled craftsmanship is our forte. Making these doors fire-rated involves years of experience and expertise. The moisture-controlled wood is selected and carefully picked to put in a planer machine to smoothen the surface. It is thereafter treated with fire-rated chemicals, a first step to make the door passive fireproof. It's then cut to size. The selected wood is now sandwiched between two high-performance calcium silicate boards of desired thickness. The inside surface of the boards are coated with Viper FRS 881LH to achieve thermal insulation. The structure is then treated with rock wool to further enhance the fire insulation. These doors can now resist fire up to 2 hours. The automatic hot press is programmed to achieve temperature suitable enough to stick the lamination and the ply onto the door. This helps us achieve a finish without any use of nails or any indentation, thus giving a perfect finish to the door. The process is completed within 6.5 minutes compared to conventional cold press, taking up to 8 hours. The CNC machine then makes cutouts for hinges and locks. This ensures there's minimal work at site and the finish of the door remains intact even after the installation. Our men and machines can churn out about 80 doors a day. Navair's fire-rated doors come with various fire ratings. Our fully composite steel and wooden fire doors have been extensively tested at Central Building Research Institute, WRKI, Exova Warrington Fire Research Lab, IFTS Switzerland, ARAI, Pune, and National Test House of Kolkata, among others. This ensures that various national and international standards for stability, integrity, and thermal insulation are met, as per BS 476, Part 22, IS 3614, Part 2, and UL standards. Navair also manufactures flame-proof hessian and canvas, available in temperature resistance of 300, 500, and 700 degrees centigrade. We are one of the few exclusive approved suppliers for the Research Design and Standards Organization, or RDSO, for railway installations. We are also approved supplier to Mazagon Dock Limited, CPRO, and other defense establishments where these canvases are extensively used on warships and submarines. Navair also manufactures FR 903 flame-proof paint for cables, a winner of National Award for Import Substitution. This paint can prevent fire in all types of cables for up to 6 long hours. FR 903 cable mastic and the cable fire barrier are extensively used in hospitals, commercial establishments, and also in power plants and refineries to lay the cable. And the use of Boss solvent can help prevent fire breakout through the various crevasses made. This special fireproof formula solidifies within 24 hours to fill the gaps completely. Navair also partnered with Saint-Gobain, a global leader in glass products. Our steel profiles are tested along with Saint-Gobain glasses in international and Indian labs. Our installations teams are also extensively trained in their Europe and Chennai plants, which help us provide a complete solution to the clients at par with the international standards. Protection from fire is our sole concern. Perhaps that's why we focus on our paints to be equally fire resistant. A well-known brand, Viper, provides you with a range of choices of paints. Fire Retard FR 881 can be used for concealed woodwork like framework above false ceilings, or even unexposed portions of partitioning and paneling that are highly prone to fire. Our paint is a unique, single ready-to-use package. All you've got to do is open, dip, and brush. FireGuard FR 880 Wood Primer and Fire Shield FRS 881 Finishing Paint replaces conventional enamel paint, providing a super gloss and matte finish to give the woodwork an elegant touch. Fire Retard FR 881 Clear Polish is especially made for indoor use on soft and hardwood, plywood, and fiber insulation boards. And Viper FR 1101 is marketed in collaboration with MS Nullifier, UK. It is water-based, low VOC content, fire-rated intumescent paint for load-bearing steel structures. The thicknesses required to achieve the desired fire rating are the lowest in the industry, thus making the product extremely cost-effective and installation easy and quick. This intumescent paint is fire-resistant and also prevents corrosion. Truly a miracle in the paint industry. In its 28 years of existence, Navair has deservedly earned a name for itself. It has successfully executed an impressive number of turnkey projects across the country and overseas. Our products have also been used and recommended by every architectural consultant worth their names. Commercial establishments, residential projects, airports, multiplexes, hotels, malls, railways, and defense. You name it, and we have done it. We have served nuclear power plants, super thermal power stations, steel plants, and petrochemical units, refineries, and we have served them well. While you cherish and nurture what you love the most, Navair makes sure you are untouched by the dangerous world outside. Navair doors. Fireproof, soundproof.